What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another Sundays with Jesse. I'm Uncle Jesse. This is Sunday. I was not planning on recording a video at all for today. I haven't even taken a shower yet, but I do have a nice ice cold coffee here. I do have my gloves on, my little latex gloves, which means I've got some resin printing going on, and more specifically I wanted to give a quick update on the Monoprice Mini $200 resin 3D printer. I was having some really serious Z-band wobble issues, and late last night I had this thing in pieces, and I apologize that I do not have any video of this. I have some photos and some random stuff that I posted on the Facebook group. I still have not officially reattached the top here, but I basically disassembled this whole machine and found out that one of my rails was loose. So the two guided rails that move up and down the print head here, or the print bed on the printer, and one of them was wobbly, one of them was loose. So originally I thought maybe I could swap out this spring mechanism here that I thought was causing the Z-banding issues, and it might still be causing some of them. But what I ended up doing was just tightening this one rod, and now it's extremely nice and secure, put everything mostly back together, and then fired off a test print, and it looks so good. It looks ridiculously good. I'll try to get some close-ups here of this. I am very, very impressed with this now. This is what I was hoping for right out of the box. So with just this minor tweak, I was able to start getting some really nice quality prints. Again, this is my very first print. I didn't even clean this up really. I ran it through the resin, the IPA bath, and get all the excess resin cleaned up, but I haven't even removed it from the build plate yet. And it looks really good. I'm not really seeing any of the wobbling that I was seeing before. Yes, it could be a little bit better in terms of quality, but overall, this is really, really nice. Super, super impressed with this. Yeah, I just wanted to make this, share it with you guys. Again, I'll try and get a few close-ups here just to really help illustrate that. I'll be doing some more test prints over the next few days and doing, again, another follow-up just to show you some of the other things that you could potentially be doing with this cheaply priced resin printer that I'm very now happy with the results that I'm getting off of this thing with just that one tweak. Again, I removed all of the bolts here, opened it up, flipped it on the inside. I had to use a wrench here to actually secure the bolt, or else when I tried to screw it to tighten it, it just kept turning. So I used one end to secure and the other end to just tighten it as far as it would go. And now ran off a test print, and it looks super good, super good. Hey, don't forget to tag me on social media if you guys are posting things. I'll have some of the photos up here from the past week or so. I'm loving seeing you guys sharing your posts and projects that you're working on. Instagram, Twitter, whichever it may be, let me know. I try to capture as many of those as I can. I'm trying to very quickly wrap this up because I need to go do some family stuff here today since it's so nice outside. But I just want to say thanks again for watching, and again, stay tuned for this. I'll be doing some follow-ups on this as well. Hey, I'll see you guys. Bye now.